Hello guys, welcome to another lecture on HTML. In this lecture, we're going to look at quotations in HTML. Okay, so before we that, let's add a horizontal line to, okay, so that's a horizontal line, and let's add a comment. So I would say quotation tags. All right. So now basically, this is how the quotation tag works. For example, if I wanted to add a particular quote from, let's say, a website to a different website to my web page, using a block quote tag would be a way to make that bit of text or that bit of content stand out from the other content. So to achieve this, to demonstrate this, I'm going to start with a paragraph tag. I'll say this is a paragraph. This is a new paragraph. Okay. Yeah. And now to add a quoted text to my content, I'll just say block quotes. So pointy bracket and block quotes. Okay. I'll close it. And within this block quote is where I'm going to add my content. So essentially, I just want to say this is the text we got from another website. Okay, and I'm going to save this and refresh the page. So now let's watch out for what happens while I refresh the page. So do you notice that the block quoted text moves away from the flow of the text of the page, just a little bit? So that's essentially what the block quoted text means, or that's what it does. Now the next thing I want to describe here is, supposing we have another paragraph and we just wanted to put some quotation marks on a bit of text. So I'll say this text is quoted. Okay, now to achieve this, I'm simply going to add the Q tag. Okay, so let's just copy this. Sorry, let's just cut this and put it here. So this is the Q tag. So I'm going to save this and refresh the page. So as you can see, the last word quoted that contains the Q tag actually has the quotation marks here, the double quotation marks. So basically that's how we add quotation to our website. There's something I can actually do here for my block quotes, and it's to cite the source from which I got the content of my block quote. So I'll say site is equal to, and I'll add in double quotes, and then whatever website I got it, https, and let's say google.com for example, and save. Now one thing to know is that this is actually for this would not actually be displayed on, so I'm going to refresh the browser, and as you can see, this is not actually displayed on the web page. So this is just for information purposes, and for example, actually remember the time we talked about attributes, we said attribute has a name. In this case, site is the name of this attribute, and the value, which is the link that is here. So basically that's about quotation in HTML. I'll leave a link in the description that gives you access to more resource on this particular topic. So see you in the next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.